Hi, welcome back to this channel, and if you're a first-time visitor, welcome to the channel, where at least by 5 o'clock every day you can get a reading of God's Word in a Jamaican patois. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, just to keep the interaction going. And if you want to be kept abreast, automatically click the notification bell. The reading comes from Luke 21, verse 5 to 19, and it said, "Some people did a chat about the pretty stone them were pretty up God's house, and the whole heap of sinting them were people give God for offering. When Jesus said, the time I go come when not even one stone I go left on top of one another. All of them I go get licked down. Them asked Jesus say, Teacher, and when all them sinting here I go happen? What kind of sign if we look for sure say them soon happen? Jesus said to them, say, watch out, no make nobody fooling up. Cause all heap of people are going to come use up my name. And I say, me are the Christ, and me God send for save people. And the time for Jesus Christ come back, they're near. No follow them. Anytime you hear about war and say government get turned over, no frighten. Them sinting are go on first, but the end now go come same time. Then Jesus tell them say, one set of people are go war against one next set of people. And one kingdom are go fight against one other kingdom. Big earthquake are go come and all about. Food are go short and all kind of sickness are go kill off people. Some troublesome thing are go come down from heaven and people are go afraid. Before all them sin thing happen, them are go grab you up and deal with you bad. They will take you and hand you over to the leader of the Jew them for judge you and send you to prison. Them are going to carry you in front of king and leader because you follow me. This I going to give you a chance to tell them the good news. No fret about what I going to answer. But we give you the word them so we know how to answer. So none of the enemy them can turn up against or say wrong. All mother, father, brother, family and friend are going to sell you out. And them are going to kill some of you. Everybody I go eat saying ka follow me. But them can't touch not even one strand of ear upon the head. Turn up strong for me, no matter what. We save them life. Here ends a portion of God's holy word. Thank God.